Hey, big guy. Here's our 11-week-old Quaker parrot babies. Green and fallow, I guess they call that one. It's pretty. Hello. Anybody want a key? Come show us your moves. And then there's the one that just got out of the disposal. Oh, stop. He just got a bath. He jumped into the sink water. Hey, get him. Go get him. Excuse me? What about this right here? What are you gonna do with that one? Do you want to throw that one over here? I don't know why, but they love keys and they love throwing them over the edge. Nice work. Congratulations. Felicidades. What, you want me to get them for you? Alright, hold on. Alright, here we go. Where's the other ones? You interested in something else? What? Step up.
That one's not happy.
Say hello to my little friend. He's not happy about this current situation. So pretty. So pretty. These ones are like twins. I put a little mark on his wings. Oh yeah. Little green dot right there. I know who you are. Alright. Say goodbye.